Ditch the diaper bag for these 5 genius diaper-free travel ideas. Traveling without a diaper bag can be liberating and practical, especially if you're looking to simplify your journey. Here are 5 genius diaper-free travel ideas to help you on your way. Disposable changing pads. Instead of carrying a bulky diaper bag, pack a few disposable changing pads. These thin, waterproof mats can be used on any surface for diaper changes. They're easy to stash in your carry-on or backpack and can be disposed of after use, saving space and reducing the need for a dedicated bag. Multipurpose baby wipes. Opt for a pack of baby wipes that can double as not only cleaning wipes but also as diaper changing wipes. This way, you can reduce the number of items you need to carry. Some wipes are designed to be gentle on baby's skin while effectively cleaning up messes. Diaper clutch. A diaper clutch is a compact and stylish alternative to a diaper bag. It's designed to hold just a few diapers, wipes, and a changing pad. This minimalistic approach forces you to carry only the essentials, making it easier to travel light. On-the-go diaper caddy. Consider using a small, portable diaper caddy with compartments to organize your diapering supplies. This way, you can easily grab what you need without rummaging through a larger bag. It's a convenient solution for keeping things organized and accessible. Pre-packed diaper kits. Before your trip, create pre-packaged diaper kits. Use resealable plastic bags or small pouches to contain a diaper, a few wipes, and a disposable changing pad. Make several of these kits and distribute them throughout your luggage or carry-on. This makes diaper changes quick and efficient without the need for a dedicated diaper bag. Remember to adapt these ideas to your baby's specific needs and the duration of your trip. Traveling diaper-free is all about streamlining your essentials and making the journey more convenient for both you and your little one.